Here I am Sai or Grandpa Sai again. Today I'm going to talk about our brain or called software or seed. It's recording things every day. So here we see that the first one, what I am going to talk right now. Here this is the mind work through our five senses. That we see or not see, hear or not hear, smell, taste, or feeling, or something like that, or not. So now we're talking about the mind and vision, how the mind and vision working together. What we see inside become what we create outside. That's the one. And then to finish our own task, we need the four words to do: respect ourselves and others, honestly in what we do, sincerity in our heart, integrity in our action. So now to get everything done, you see, don't be afraid to share your experience with the world. Dreamers are the creator of their own reality. While your present moment, the best prophet of the future is the past. I am not here to debate, argue, judge, or blame anyone, but to adjust the human mind. Yet, that's all for today.